Hello and welcome to Let's Learn. In today's video we are going to learn all about the letter A. Let's get started. A is for apple. Apple. E is for alligator. Alligator. A is for arrow. Arrow. A is for ant. Ant. A is for arm. Arm. A is for aeroplane. Aeroplane.
That's all about today. If you found it helpful, please give us a like as it really helps out the channel, and if you want to see more video like this, don't forget to subscribe to join the Let's Learn. Thank you for watching. See you the next time. Goodbye.